What are the differences between MR Safe, MR Conditional, and MR Unsafe? Let's find out. MR Safe is the easiest one to understand. It means that the product can be used in the MRI room and it can be worn by the patient during scanning. MR Unsafe is also pretty easy to understand. This one means it contains some sort of metallic element and it should never be in the MRI room and never be on a patient during scanning. MR Conditional means that the product can be used in an MRI, but only under certain circumstances. In the case of our electrodes, when we say that something is MR Conditional, it means that it can be used on the patient in the MRI, however, it cannot be connected to a monitoring device at the same time. Each manufacturer will have specific recommendations on what makes their product MR Conditional, so it's always best to consult the instructions for use.